How to round up times in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you rounding up times in Microsoft Excel. We are going to round up by 15 minutes and we are going to round up by 30 minutes. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. We have times in column B, and in column C, I'm going to round up these times by 15 minutes. Okay, so for that I'm going to use a function. I'm going to write here equal to, and then as I am rounding up the time, so I'm going to use the ceiling function. And here we have the ceiling function. If I double click here, the first parameter is number, which is here. Our time is our number, and in the significance within double quotation I'm going to write 15 minutes. So I'm going to write 0:15. Okay, this will help me rounding up times by quarter. I'm going to close parenthesis and press enter, and we have a decimal number, and if I drag it, and these are the numbers. Now select the range where you just applied the formula. From this number formatting, I'm going to click on time and I'm going to select my preferred time, and this is the time I want. And if I click OK, and all the numbers has been round up by 15 minutes. So 6:34 becomes 6:45, 1:09 become 1:15, 8:12 become 8:15, and 10:51 become 11. So we have round up all these by 15 minutes. And if you want to round up by 30 minutes, it's quite similar, equal to ceiling. Double click here, select the time you want to round up by 30 minutes, and in the significance within double quotation write 0:30. So we want to round up by 30 minutes, and quotation close and parenthesis close, press enter and drag and autofill. Change the number format. For that I'm going to use different approach. Right click, format cell, click on time and select your preferred time. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so we have round up by 30 minutes. So 6:34 becomes 7 a.m, 1:09 become 1:30. Okay, so we have only round up by 15 minutes and round up by 30 minutes. And in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can round down by 15 minutes and 30 minutes. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.